Welcome back. Have you noticed I enjoy metaphors? Usually I do. However, one of the problems with metaphors is that eventually they break down. When you compare one thing with another, there are ways that the two things are the same, but there are other ways in which they simply aren't the same. Now, why am I talking about the weakness of metaphors? Because one of our first metaphors about teachers, all the way back in Module 1, was that teachers should be actors. And one of the biggest problems I have with this metaphor is that there are ways that teachers should definitely not be compared to actors. Sure, there is some truth to the metaphor. Teachers do have to use their hands, their body, their face. Sure, teachers do have to think about how to impact their students just like an actor has to impact an audience. And sure, teachers do have to pretend they feel great after a long night of grading homework. But the truth is, if you are trying to perform for your students, pretend you feel something that you don't. This is truly a fast track to burning out. Some teachers are quiet and composed. Some are loud and gregarious. Whoever you might be the best of that type. So our last word of advice for you to avoid teacher burnout is to find your core. Find out why you do the things you do. As I explained earlier, people will join you when they see that there is a cause you believe in. Your students will join you, other teachers will join you, administrators will agree with you when you find a core value, a core belief that you know is true. What do you do to avoid teacher burnout? Never act. Be sincere. Again, don't confuse this with a lazy attitude to get out of learning new techniques. Of course, you should challenge yourself and get out of your comfort zone and learn new things. Finding your core means knowing which metaphors resonate with you, which messages hit hardest with you. It means to know your own teaching philosophy and then do all you can to be the best within your sphere of knowledge and understanding. I sincerely hope that you find strength in the metaphors and information we have provided. I hope you build on the principles that we have given you. And I hope that you fight for the principles that you believe in. Strangely enough, the most significant thing I have ever seen in preventing teacher burnout is burning brightly. Thanks for watching.